The yellow dots found on the neck of Philips 75-watt PAR30 long neck lamps serve a very specific purpose. They are there to protect the lamp during shipping and storage. These seemingly insignificant dots play a crucial role in preventing damage to the delicate glass bulb. Think of the journey a lamp takes from the factory to its final destination inside a recessed lighting fixture. It's a journey filled with potential hazards, bumps, vibrations, and sudden movements that could easily cause the glass to rattle against the lamp's housing. This rattling can lead to cracks, chips, or even complete breakage, rendering the lamp useless before it's even installed. That's where the yellow dots come in. They act as a cushion, a buffer between the glass bulb and the surrounding structure. By evenly spacing these dots around the edge of the lamp's neck, Philips creates a stable and secure environment for the bulb. The dots effectively minimize movement, preventing the glass from making direct contact with other parts of the lamp. This simple yet ingenious design significantly reduces the risk of damage during transport and storage, ensuring that the lamp arrives in perfect working condition. The material used for these dots is typically a soft, pliable plastic that further enhances their protective function. This plastic material absorbs shocks and vibrations, providing an extra layer of defense against the rigors of shipping. It's also important to note that the adhesive used to attach the dots is carefully chosen to ensure that they remain securely in place throughout the transport process, yet are easily removable once the lamp is ready for installation. The fact that Philips specifically stamps the lamp with a warning not to remove the yellow dots further emphasizes their importance. This serves as a clear instruction to handlers and installers, reminding them that these dots are not merely decorative but are essential for protecting the lamp. Ignoring this warning and removing the dots prematurely could expose the lamp to unnecessary risk and potentially lead to damage. Once the lamp is safely installed in its fixture, the yellow dots have served their purpose and can be removed without any negative impact on the lamp's performance. In fact, removing them after installation is generally recommended, as they are no longer needed and may detract from the lamp's aesthetic appeal. However, it's crucial to resist the temptation to remove the dots before installation. Doing so could not only increase the risk of damage but may also void the lamp's warranty. Manufacturers often include specific instructions regarding the proper handling and installation of their products, and failure to follow these instructions can have consequences. In the case of Philips PAR30 lamps, the presence of the yellow dots and the accompanying warning are clear indicators that the dots are an integral part of the lamp's protective packaging and should not be tampered with until the lamp is securely in place. Therefore, the best practice is to leave the yellow dots intact until after the installation process is complete. This simple step can help ensure that the lamp remains protected throughout its journey and that it performs optimally once it's put into service. In summary, the yellow dots on Philips 75-watt PAR30 long neck lamps are not random additions but rather a carefully designed feature intended to safeguard the lamp during transport and storage. They act as a protective barrier, preventing the glass bulb from rattling and breaking. While the dots can be removed after installation, it's crucial to leave them in place until the lamp is securely installed to avoid potential damage and to maintain the validity of the warranty.